How to fix DLL errors on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, go ahead and click search bar, type in Task Manager. Click on Open at right side, or you can simply click on the start icon at bottom left and simply select the Task Manager. This window appears on your screen where you have to click on Draw New Task. Now click Browse button. Now navigate to this PC. Click C drive. And now you need to simply search for your Windows folder and then search for System32. Use the search icon at top right corner of the screen. And now you need to find and select it. Open it, and here you can easily type in cmd.exe. Once you get it, open this file. And now you simply need to make sure its location is on C // Windows / System32 / cmd.exe, and now check the box to create this task with administrative privilege. Now click on OK button. And now the section appear on the screen, where in the command prompt window you carefully type the following command, that is sfc space /scannow. And you have to hit enter on your keyboard. This process will take some time to complete, so be patient, and once it has been finished, you can easily move to next step. After the process is done, you need to simply type in exit and press enter to close the command prompt window, or simply you can use this crossbar. Once done, you simply need to restart your system. After that, it will apply all the changes and your issue should be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.